Our new website is up. We launched it yesterday, still taking care of little bits and pieces here and there. And the other thing is, let me quickly show you how the site looks like. This is the site. Looks amazing, looks awesome. The last time we updated our last website was in 2014, I believe, 2014. The site was fully functional. It was doing great, but we wanted to update the site. And now we have a fully refreshed website. A lot of new features added to the shopping cart. We have over 60 items that need to go on the website. We're going to be posting them in the next week or so. And one important thing I want to go over is the Ask Us page. Ask Us page is where you can post your questions, and I will take time out of my day to answer those questions. Main reason why I created this section on the website is because things are really getting out of hand. I have people calling me every single day. They're asking, what type of hot air station are you using? What do you recommend for a microscope? What do you think about this? What brand do you recommend? Every single day. And even on YouTube, I post a video about a MacBook and you see questions about something else. So this section on the website is created for that purpose. If you have a question, post it and I'll answer your questions. Now, when I create a video and I post it on YouTube, I'm not wasting time during business hours because I'm working on a customer's device. So I'm fixing a customer device and I'm making a video on it at the same time, so no time is wasted. But when people call during business hours, I'm busy doing stuff, I'm working, we have a lot of things that we need to get done. Just imagine 50, 60 people call every day asking questions on how to do things or what tools I'm using or my recommendations, then I'm not going to be able to do any work throughout the day. So please, if you have any questions, or if I posted the video and you have a question not relating to that video, you can log in here, post a question, and I will get to it when I can. I did post a donate button because answering questions will take a lot of my time, and I would appreciate if you want to ask a question, donate. I mean, there's nothing wrong with supporting the site if I'm gonna waste time to answer your questions. I mean, don't get me wrong, a lot of people are supporting the channel, whether it's donations or purchasing from our shop or passing on the good words to others or commenting or liking or sharing. How are you helping the channel? A lot of people are bothered by an ad in a video. If ads are not running on the video, how are you helping the channel? Do not complain. The video is being posted on YouTube free of charge for you to learn, to look at. I'm the one who's spending the time creating the video. What are you doing? I mean, what you have to understand is creating content takes time. It takes a lot of time. Store closes at 6. Sometimes I'm here until 7 or 8. Maybe I'm working on something. I do not want to leave it until the next day. So I keep working on it until it's done. By the time I get home, dinner, spend time with the family, watch TV or the news if I'm lucky, and then I'm done on the computer, editing the video, and editing can take up to 2-3 hours. Sometimes I do it in 1 hour, sometimes in 2 hours. It depends on the video, but it does take a lot of time. I'm sharing the knowledge for free. I'm doing this so everybody can look at the video and learn. You are benefiting from the content. It doesn't hurt to give back because life is all about give and take. So feel free to use the questions and answers section of the site to ask your questions. I will dedicate time every day to answer those questions. And that's it. We got a flash drive, and this one's coming from Texas. It's a USB 3.0 flash drive that was sent here in 2 pieces. This is the blue socket, 9 pins, and customer needs data recovery. Without wasting too much time, let's go ahead and open the flash drive and see what's going on. It looks like it's covered in rubber, and that's the way the flash drive comes for this model. We need to remove the rubber. Just like that. And right there. And now we have to remove that plastic so we can get to the motherboard. And look at that, we do not have any missing pads. Beautiful. So since we do not have any missing pads, we can solder all 9 pins onto the board. Just like that. I think that will be the easiest thing to do. Another way to do this would be to use a 2.0 cable, and we solder 5 volts ground, D minus D plus onto 4 of those pads, and the flash drive will work. It's going to work at a 2.0 speed, but it will work. Since we do not have any missing pads, I think it's best if we solder those pins. Let's go ahead and do it. Right now it's 6 o'clock, time to go home. But I'm gonna finish this one, make sure it's working, and then I'll go home happy. I did not apply any flux, I did not apply nothing. I just wanna secure 2-3 pins right now. Okay, I just wanna hold that connector in place like this. Now we're gonna add some flux. We're gonna make everything look nice and pretty. And let's start from here. That's one. No bridging, no bridging. So what's going on here is 4 of those pins are broken and pieces of those pins are down on the pads. But it doesn't really matter. We can fix it. This pin is broken from here, so that piece is gone. Right now what I did is I added a big solder blob so it makes a connection with this pin. Solid. That's it. Job is done. Will it work? Let's see. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Awesome. Awesome. That's the last repair for the day and success. I'm going to start the backup process and just go home. Now, I also have an iPhone motherboard. I was hoping to get to this board today, but unfortunately, time is up and I'm not going to be able to do it. This board was mailed along with the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the one that we did a couple of days ago, and customer also mailed another phone, so he mailed 3 items. We did the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, and now I wanted to work on this one. I looked at the board under the microscope, and I can tell you this is not a pretty scene. I do not know if I'm going to work on this. Huge mess. Huge mess. Let me show you what I mean. Look at this. One FVC connector is missing, or damaged, or bombarded, or tortured. I do not know what's going on here, but I cannot make out what's going on in this area of the board. It was a short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.